With the 5G era coming, information transformation and big data application, focusing on the value concept of green, energy saving, stable, and reliable, continuously providing customers with excellent power services is the eternal pursuit of Shangyu. Shangyu Shenzhen Strict Technology Company Limited, headquartered in Shenzhen. It focuses on app systems, integrates independent research and development, design and manufacturing, and has the world's leading technology in the industry. In 2011, Shangyu brand established. In 2012, Shangyu UPS Research and Development Laboratory established. In 2015, Shenzhen UPS Manufacturing Center established. In 2016, Shangyu established 7 marketing centers. In 2018, Shangyu Lithium Battery Research and Development Center established. At present, Shangyu has developed into a mainstream brand. The engineers in the research and development team of Shangyu come from well-known companies in the industry and have more than 20 years of development experience. The ultimate goal of Shangyu is to provide green, energy-saving, stable, and reliable power solutions to meet the latest needs of users. Shangyu Manufacturing Center, covering with an area of 10,000 square meters, has to finish the product assembly lines and adjust-proof SMT patch processing workshop. Shangyu has invested heavily in the advanced automated equipment, AI automatic plug-in machines, meter wave soldering, ICT static testing, and FCT dynamic testing, etc. to improve efficiency while ensuring quality. Shangyu is very strict for the selection of parts for each product and a strict reliability testing on each products to ensure the best quality. At present, Shangyu's product range from 500 volts ampere to 600 kilovolts ampere, including high-frequency UPS, industrial low-frequency UPS, modular UPS, outdoor integration, precision air conditioning, power distribution, integrated cabinets, micro-module data centers, batteries. To meet the construction needs of small computer rooms, such as government, financial, operator branch outlets, small and medium-sized enterprises, home computer rooms, marginal data centers, and 5G base stations, Shangyu has launched macro-module data center solutions. The new generation of macro-module data center adopts the standardization design concept. Standard integrated products are integrated in the integrated cabinet. All components are pre-designed, pre-installed, and pre-commissioned in the factory. The ECIT cabinet is used as a unit for overall packaging and transportation, and only on-site simple installation 5 hours is required. The module adopts a cluster design, hot-cold and hot aisles to achieve the effect of dust-proof and noise reduction. The IT cabinets on both sides can be flexibly expanded. Simple. Log in and open the door by local fingerprint and a swipe card. Convenient and quick. The intelligent monitoring system can quickly locate the fault and can upgrade the program remotely. On swappable mode, only a mobile phone can be used to monitor the computer room and realize unattended. Reliability. The separate monitoring system improves the efficiency of operation and maintenance and detect the fire protection linkage to ensure the safety of the computer room. Efficient. Backed AC frequency compression refrigeration system, fully enclosed hot and cold aisle design, more energy-saving and environmentally friendly while saving a cabinet space. PUE value is less than 1.3. As a well-known UPS provider, Shangyu has obtained UPS Industry, TLC, CCC, CE, energy saving certification, radio and television network access license, other qualification honor certificates. Become the Power Industry Council member unit. At present, Xiaoyu has served nearly 10,000 users in government departments, finance, education, energy, manufacturing, rail transit, medical industries. We are aware that customer needs are the value. With numbers of service outlets and 7 multiplied 24 hours response service, hand in hand with Xiaoyu, encountering a beautiful era of change.